ये ना हर एक का अपना अपना पर्सपेक्टिव है. I like to travel, but I like to travel with a certain company of people. Other than that, I like to travel if it is related to business. कि अगर कुछ नया दिख गया तो I always have that kind of curiosity कि यार ये possible है. तो ये possible है अगर the time you start figuring out, you get interest in different things. You learn. I mean, whole life is learning anyways, but you learn different things. कि यार एक एग्जांपल देना चाहता हूँ, बट
तो ट्रैवलिंग के बारे में बोल रहा है कि बिजनेस रिलेटेड ट्रैवल के बारे में बोल रहा है?
मैं बिजनेस रिलेटेड ट्रैवल के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ.
Okay.
सो बेसिकली मेरे यहाँ पे मेरा एक दोस्त था who was also the head chef in my restaurant. Amazing guy. तो उसने मेरे को बताया था कि
निसर्ग, शाउट आउट निसर्ग,
शाउट आउट या भाई क्रेजी बंदा है. तो उसने मेरे को बताया था कि यार तेजस भाई पोर्तुगाल में भी काफ़ी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है और हम लोग वहाँ पे कुछ कर सकते हैं. I was always skeptical about investing in a different country and let alone restaurant business, because this is one of the most difficult businesses that
काफ़ी volatile है. हर किसी को लगता है खाना ही खाना है.
It's quite risky.
Yeah.
The margins. I mean, margins are there, but I mean, you need skilled labor. You need a lot of skilled labor, and this is an industry where you can't really believe कि one guy will stay with you forever. Yeah, team building is the most difficult part, and team building in hospitality is even difficult because low level politics. भाई साहब कंपनी में पॉलिटिक्स चालू रहती है. Okay, back bitching, gossips. There is no way you can stop that. I mean, it's not that there is no way. There is a way.
Yeah.
But okay, I mean, we are moving away from the topic. So when Nisarg told me that it's quite there are opportunities, then I said okay, let's visit. I was not in a mood to invest over there anyways, but I just wanted to make him feel good. I went there. I saw. I mean, there is really opportunity here. I mean, I like beaches anyways. Beaches, not.
Yeah.
I like beaches.
I
anyways.
figured.
We were staying in a hotel, with a beach front, and then I thought, यार, यहाँ पे भी कुछ कर सकते हैं. And then eventually we did that. But every time I travel, I mean, I was in Portugal last week, and every time I went there, I tried something different.
Food wise, you mean?
No, not only food wise. I mean, we went for there is
Activities.
a boardwalk.
Okay,
Yeah,
right.
There's a boardwalk, which is I think for kilometers.
Right.
Like many kilometers, and I didn't know about this. But then when I started walking, when we started walking, the views were excellent. Yeah, it was. I mean, it just made me feel refreshed, and I think from time to time you need to have that kind of refreshment in life. कहीं पे जाओ. I think traveling is for me is a way of relaxing. कहीं पे भी change from your routine life. I think it's very important. I do like it, but I feel like it's quite important aspect of life that you change your wherever you are, just try to travel and then refresh your mind.
स्विट्जरलैंड में घुमा है तू?
नहीं.
मेरा कहने का मतलब ये था.
So
बट हाँ, लाइफ इतनी बिजी है
यार. I'll tell you honestly, मेरा कजिन आया हुआ है ना. if he asks me यार कहाँ पे घूमे, नहीं पता, लिटरली नहीं पता कहाँ पे घूमना है हमने. तो ये एक चीज़ है कि आप जब एक जगह पे रहते हो ना, तो आप भूल जाते हो कि ये एक टूरिस्ट स्पॉट है या ये है या वो है. हम लोग हैं लेक ब्रियंस पे,
राइट.
right? That itself is a tourist spot. लोग जब पूछते हैं ना यहाँ पे देखने में क्या है, यार, I don't know how to answer them. I can't tell them that there is nothing in Brienz. But then, you know, because for me, it's an everyday thing.
Yeah.
So, and I think from day-to-day life, day-to-day activity, you don't get time to, you know, specifically go कि भाई हाँ ये जगह देखते हैं या वो जगह देखते हैं. You just go there by accident. कि हाँ यार आज यहाँ पे काम है तो चलो यहाँ पे चलते हैं.
पर तू ब्रेक कंसिडर नहीं कर रहा बीच में कि जैसे यू नो टेक कभी होटल या रेस्टोरेंट बंद करेगा 1-2 हफ्ते, यू नो जस्ट गिव योरसेल्फ कंप्लीट कट ऑफ और उसका फ्रेश स्टार्ट, ताकि जस्ट
वो भी है, काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है. राइट नाउ अभी 1 साल से हम लोग चलते जा रहे हैं ऑलमोस्ट, नहीं 8-10 महीने से, एंड इट्स क्वाइट हेक्टिक. तो अभी अगर हम लोग ने रेस्टोरेंट बंद करके वापस 1 महीने का ब्रेक लिया या 2 हफ्ते का ब्रेक लिया, दैट विल बी वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग, नॉट ओनली फॉर मी बट फॉर द होल टीम.
राइट.
एंड या इफ यू आर इनटू restaurant business, I think it's also important, unless you know you are going to be busy and then you have enough staff to replace the whole team.
Yeah,
but that's quite difficult. It's in my eyes it's next to impossible unless you're in a big city or somewhere. But yes, I mean I have considered this, and I have told my partners in Portugal that I think you guys should consider closing the restaurant for a couple of weeks. Just refresh yourself.